Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set your location in your Microsoft Teams profile. This is a really useful feature that helps your colleagues know whether you're working from the office or remotely, making it easier for them to plan meetings and collaborations with you. Let's jump right into it. First things first, open your Microsoft Teams application and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Teams homepage where you can see all your chats, teams, and activities. Now take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon sitting there. This is typically a circular image or your initials if you haven't uploaded a profile picture yet. Go ahead and click on this profile icon. This will open up a menu with various profile-related options and settings that you can customize. In the menu that appears, you should see an option labeled Set Work Location. This feature is specifically designed to let your team members know where you're working from on any given day. It's particularly helpful for hybrid work environments where people split their time between home and the office. Click on Set Work Location to proceed. Once you click it, you'll be presented with two straightforward options to choose from. You can select either Office if you're working from your company's physical location, or Remote if you're working from home or anywhere outside the office. Simply click on the option that matches your current work situation. This selection will then be visible to your colleagues when they view your profile or hover over your name in Teams, giving them instant context about your whereabouts. And that's it. You've successfully set your work location in Microsoft Teams. This small update can make a big difference in how your team communicates and schedules with you throughout the day. You can always come back and change this setting whenever your work location changes, so feel free to update it as often as needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.